today, Winton School, called Ben Aho. I am Ben. Welcome to the NEWS News for Ra'apa the 9th of March.
We start the day with a big kia ora to all the athletes who ran the 800 metres yesterday.
It's the 1500 metres today, so no pies until after the run. Good luck.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Heke, which is te reo for down.
As in, Heke, get down!
Heke, which is te reo for down.
Book fair news. Let's talk about that, koutou.
All week in the library. Sales are after school until 3:30.
Bring your cash. Buy up large.
And on Friday, dress up day.
The theme is monsters, baddies, villains, anything nasty.
I'm coming as Mr Chapman then.
On to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is very high from 12:30 until 4:30.
So make sure you're wearing your potae and the sun smart from 10:30. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Year 5s to 8s are allowed over the road to play at intervals.
Make sure you cross Eglinton Street at the pedestrian crossing carefully.
Let's talk about that, koutou. There are two crossings, Clyde Street and Eglinton Street.
Both are skillfully managed after school by the Year 7 Road Patrol team. Use the crossings and follow the commands carefully.
Staff are supervising you and you are to manage yourself safely across the road at the crossings. Not halfway down Eglinton Street, koutou.
Touch news. Winton Wombles. You have a practice at playtime by the library steps. That is Winton Wombles.
And Winton Warriors, please meet Chloe and Cassie in the junior lunch area after you have finished your lunch. Kia ora.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the NEWS team. Ka kite e popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.